So when appearing for quizzes, what happens is that people may choose correct answer or incorrect answer. And then for the same, what you can also do is you can add in feedback messages for each of the options that they choose. So for example, if I want to add in, let's say, feedback for congratulating the quiz taker for selecting the correct answer, I can go around onto the correct answer and then click on message for those who choose this. So I can go around and say, yes, that is correct. PSD is a Photoshop format right here, just like this. So this is what you have. Similarly for AI, I'm just going to go around and say AI is not a Photoshop but an Illustrator format right here, just like this. I'm just going to type that in and I'm just going to remove the full stop right here. And then similarly for the other option, I'm just going to go around, copy out the same comment right here and then add in the same for a doc. And over here, I'm just going to go around and say docx is not a Photoshop, but a Word format right here. So I'm just going to go around onto HTML over here, and I'm just going to go around and say HTML. HTML is not a Photoshop, but a web format right here. So this is what you have, as you can see. Similarly, you can go around and add in comments to each one of these options as well. So you can do the same, but over here you can see that I got 4 comments right there. So let's see how that looks. So if I were to go around onto preview and select out, let's say PSD, and then I'm just going to go around and select out wrong answers over here and then click on submit. And if I were to view the results, you can see that it says correct. And over here it says PSD. There's no feedback over here on the bottom, but over here on the top it says yes, that is correct. PSD is a Photoshop format. So let's just go around back right here and then preview it again. And this time I'm going to go around and select docx right here. And let me just go around over here, select out one incorrect answer and one correct answer and click on submit. So once I do that, I can go around and click on view results right here. You can see it says incorrect because I got one correct and another incorrect right here on the bottom. But over here on the top, you can see that it says docx. So I mistyped it to S right here. But anyways, there's the feedback, as you can see right here. It says S is not a Photoshop but a Word format right here. So you can go back around over here and correct it if it is not in a proper format. So I'm just going to go around and say docx is not a Photoshop but a Word format right here. And that is how you can go around and add in feedback messages for options inside of quiz questions in Microsoft Forms. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.